So, TNT tsaka Converge, no? So, TNT from the very first quarter, do early work. So, kahit humabol yung Converge, kasi walang depensa, mahina yung depensa ng Converge. Daming open layups. Although, yun na lagi ko sinasabi dahil maganda yung offense ng Converge itong laron to, nakabalik sila pero yung depensa nila medyo suspect, medyo marami silang defensive lapses kaya ang TNT veteran team, no, may makitang lapses yan, iti-take advantage nila yan. So yun lang yung nangyari na game na to, no. Maganda yung laro ng Converge offensively pero yung defense nila medyo suspect. Open threes, puro first quarter, puro 3 points, kung hindi 3-point play, 3-point shot. So paano mo tatalunin yun? Si RHJ humahanap lang ng kakampi niya. And then nung latter part ng game, dun lang siya bumomba ng gusto. Di ba? Yung mga shooter ng TNT kumakamada. So paano mo tatalunin yun? Yeah. Malaking bagay din na playing injured yung kanilang import kasi yung import is hindi lang nila scorer, dumedepensa rin yun. So napipilayan yung defense nila dahil yung import nila is liability na on defense. Pero kahit umi-score yung import, yun na nga, pagbalik sa kabila, nahihirapan na. Dahil may leg injury daw. So, yun lang po.